Here's how I make a pendant light out of an old chicken feeder. I got these feeders from a chicken farmer in Arkansas. We loaded about 300 feeders on a U-Haul and hauled them back to Tennessee. Here they are still on their line. I bring them down from the barn, then I pull out the power tools. Aw yeah, what a geek. Then they detach from the line and then separated into 3 pieces. 3 very dirty pieces. Now it's time to hose them down. It's so hot you gotta take your shoes and socks off, even if your socks don't match. Then you scrub and scrub till you finally get all the nastiness out. Now just gotta let them dry. Now you've got your chicken feeder all perfectly cleaned up, looking good. Take a Sharpie, and you wanna put it right in the, you wanna put a mark right in the middle. You can eyeball it. I'm not great at eyeballing, but anyway, you can see it in the middle there. Yep, mine's totally off. Awesome. So I use this Craftsman hole saw. Not cheap, they're around $12. And you end up with your hole like this. I just use this clear Krylon sealer. Hey Maggie. Maggie is a low-key glamour girl. She acts like she doesn't like the camera, but somehow she ends up in every shot like in the background. You go, girl. It's 97 degrees and I probably shouldn't be putting the clear coat on in this weather, but I wanted to go ahead and get it done. I switched the paint to an enamel gloss. I want to show you where we are. Here's the painted. See the gloss? I think it looks better. And the cage. Now take this socket, and you can find these online. They're pre-made. They come with your wire, and they come in 2 parts. And what you're going to do is you're going to take it and you're just going to stick it right through. And what I like to do is just make sure that I'm looking at it straight on, if possible. Oh, you can't see. And you just screw them on. And don't get it too tight. Then what you do is you want to twist it, screw it in there till it's just right and it's completely straight. And here's the final pendant light. Please follow for more lighting design tips and tricks.